for the tour of the 2-bedroom at Saratoga Springs Resort. Come on, we have magic bands. So, when you walk in, to your right, you have the first bedroom. When we first walk in, we see a nice wooden hook with a small mirror to hang your coats, bags, whatnot. And we have a small closet with a vacuum here. Coming further into the room, you have a bigger closet with extra pillows, blankets, hangers, just really a lot of space. Now we have our bathroom, which has a small toilet and a shower/bathtub and a nice plaid curtain with shampoo, soap, and conditioner, body wash. We have extras over here, and then we have a beautiful granite counter with 2 sinks and then a hair dryer and a huge mirror. Now coming further into the room, we have 2 double beds with a night table in the middle and beautiful curtains with a view of Disney Springs.
Those are queen beds.
Queen beds. And we have an LG TV, a dresser, and a small little breakfast nook or table. We have a fan that you can turn on and off. And then there's a full-size mirror on the bathroom door. Coming right over to the main living area. Before you go in, you just got a small table to put your belongings, and you have a little table, desk, breakfast. This is actually a pull-out queen couch with nice horses for pillows and a coffee table just to sit and watch TV. We have another dresser, and the dressers can actually close on top of the TV. Here we have my mom, who's sitting reading a magazine, enjoying the beautiful scenery. We have a kitchen, which has a little bar area, sink, and we have a full freezer and fridge. We also have a stovetop and a dishwasher and lots of cabinets, wine glasses, toaster oven. Then we have our master bedroom. Coming in to the first door, you see a beautiful sink and a pretty big shower. In here, we have a toilet and some actually really beautiful pictures through there. Then, if we walk just a little farther, there's 2 entrances. Hi! You can come into the beautiful tub. There's a closet space over here, and then another granite countertop. And the really cool thing about the tub is, if you want to be talking to people, the tub actually connects to the master bedroom. Here we have our queen bed, king bed, with 2 tables and a little desk over here. We have windows, another TV, and a really cozy chair with a lamp for reading. Different settings on the lamp. And last, yet certainly not least, we're on the ground floor, so let's go check out our patio. So we have these beautiful curtains that open up, and then we have our patio. On the patio, we have 2 nice chairs and a small table, overlooking a beautiful garden in the Disney Springs area. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come stay at Saratoga Springs. This was the tour of the 2-bedroom at the Resort of Saratoga. I'm Amelia, and I hope you enjoy this tour.